Digitalization continues to transform our lives as consumers and as businesses. We use IT in virtually all of our daily activities. There's an app for everything. Business automation, robotics, IoT, and analytics empower businesses with groundbreaking productivity and new business models. Agility and time-to-market execution are key success factors in creating competitive edge, and IT organizations are expected to comply. Well, cloud is the enabling platform. So what prohibits businesses from going to the cloud still? It's often the fear of losing control, as well as security and data privacy concerns. Transformation is a journey. Come to us and let's plan the way forward together.